Struggling to come up with blog post ideas that people actually want to read? Answer the Public can help you discover real questions and topics that users are searching for every day. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find blog topics with Answer the Public and turn search data into content ideas for your website. First, open Answer the Public and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to start researching topics related to your niche. Next, type a broad topic into the search bar. This should be a subject related to your audience or industry. For example, if you run a fitness blog, you could search for home workouts, weight loss, or healthy eating. Click the search button and wait for the report to load. Answer the Public will gather related search queries and organize them into different categories. One of the best places to find blog ideas is the questions section. Here you'll see searches that begin with words like how, what, why, when, and where. These questions often make excellent blog post topics because they're based on real user interests. As you browse the results, pay attention to specific questions and unique topics. The more detailed the search query, the easier it can be to create focused content that directly answers what readers want to know. Next, explore the related searches and comparison sections. These areas can reveal additional angles for blog posts, product reviews, comparisons, and in-depth guides. Now start building a list of potential blog topics. Save the most relevant ideas in a document or spreadsheet so you can organize them into future content plans. A simple strategy is to convert popular questions directly into blog titles. For example, a search question can become a step-by-step guide, tutorial, or detailed article that provides helpful answers. Once you've collected enough ideas, group related topics together and create a publishing schedule. This makes it easier to consistently produce content based on real search demand. And that's how to find blog topics with Answer the Public. Yeah, by exploring real search questions and related keywords, you can quickly discover content ideas that your audience is already interested in. Thanks for watching and good luck with your blogging journey.